Hello, welcome to David Gray Solicitors. I'm Mehdi Hassan, a solicitor in our immigration team. The firm was set up by David Gray, an immigration lawyer, in 1979. We've come a long way in the last 45 years and established ourselves as a leading law firm in the Northeast and nationally known immigration practice. We have a well-knitted team of brilliant immigration lawyers who can assist clients in both personal and business immigration law. We can advise you in person, via video calls in Teams, by email or telephone. This means that we can help you with your UK immigration wherever you are in a way that suits you best. The team is led by well-respected immigration lawyer Brian West. Members of the team speak a range of languages which enable us to communicate with clients who do not have English as first language. We offer fixed fees for much of our immigration work, so our clients can have peace of mind that their work will be handled by an expert at a cost which is reasonable and certain. Where we undertake work on an hourly rates basis, we provide an estimate at the outset so that there is a clear understanding of the likely overall cost. We're going to discuss the frequently asked questions of some of the popular applications. Please note that the law is subject to change and the information given is correct at the time of making these videos. There are a variety of options depending on the applicant's personal circumstances. Some visas give the right to work, for example, a spouse or partner visa. Some visas are work-specific. Here we will discuss two popular work visas, the graduate and the skilled worker routes. This is a work visa for people who have studied in the UK. It is an unsponsored work, so does not require the applicant to obtain an offer of employment from an employer who holds a sponsor license. It is not a route to long-term settlement in the UK. If you're currently in the UK with a student visa and have successfully completed a UK bachelor's degree, postgraduate degree or other eligible course within the last 12 months. You can work in most jobs or be self-employed, but you cannot access most state benefits or work as a professional spokesperson. There is no skills or salary requirement. You, your partner and children who are already with you as your dependents in the UK on your current student visa can also apply to stay as your dependents. It is not possible to have new dependents, but they can join you from outside the UK if you switch to a new visa category, example skilled worker. You will be given permission to stay for 2 years or 3 years if you have a PhD or other doctoral qualification. It is not possible to extend stay as a graduate, but you can switch to another visa category, example skilled worker. The skilled worker route allows a person to either come to or remain in the UK to undertake skilled work. It is a sponsored work, so requires the applicant to obtain an offer of employment from an employer who holds a sponsor license. The employer must assign a certificate of sponsorship before an application can be made. It is a route to long-term settlement in the UK. You must be employed in a job that meets the skills and salary requirements. You cannot be self-employed. An applicant must score points for having a valid certificate of sponsorship. a job at the appropriate skills and salary level, and for English language and maintenance. Your partner and children can apply to join or stay with you in the UK as your dependents unless you're a care worker or senior care worker. You'll be given permission to enter or stay for the work dates stated in the Certificate of Sponsorship, up to 5 years. For dependents, their visa will usually end on the same date as the skilled worker. It is possible to extend a skilled worker visa. After 5 years in the UK as a skilled worker, it is possible to apply for indefinite leave to remain, also known as settlement. Your family members who are dependent on the visa can also apply for settlement after 5 years here. Your employer will have to apply for a sponsor license before they can sponsor you. We can assist the employer to obtain their sponsor license and then you with your application as a skilled worker.